Grab your favorite popcorn and get ready because today we're checking out the world's funniest animals. So try not to laugh, especially at the end. Starting with, we've got a dog pulling a girl straight into it. Why didn't she just let go of the dog? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, we got a cat on a banister, which just seems... We got a cat on the floor. And... Did that cat just slide down stone? He's using it as a slide. Okay, he's having way too much fun. We've got a parrot smoking cigarettes. Oh, look at this happy dog. What? Is that sea foam? I've never seen sea foam. Oh, well.
Dude, that must burn your eyes, no? I feel like that's like, it's literally salt.
What's going on here? Wait, what is that? It's a squirrel.
Squirrel!
Oh, it's in her room. Bro, get this squirrel out of there, dude. Dude, get on out of there. Yeah, I would be pretty scared too. Squirrels are crazy. A donkey's laughing at us. This is what the videos have come to. We've got donkeys laughing at us. Oh, we've got young llamas. Oh. Dude, how'd they stop just perfectly like that? Hey, he's like...
You wanna let me out?
Wanna open this bad boy up? Let me out of here. Come on. Oh no! I hate when they do this. The butt scoot. Oh, gross. Literally putting poop on your carpet. And he's so happy about it. I was gone for 10 minutes. What? Why are they climbing on the walls? Oh, pig versus dog. Bro, I feel like a pig would win that. I feel like a pig would win that all day. Oh, look at the cat. He's watching. He's watching everything. I don't understand why either. They just love being in boxes. Oh, you see, guys, this cat was in places he was not supposed to be.
Clearly.
Everything must be perfect. Oh, yeah, look at this. The rabbit's like, no. You will not be messing up my bed.
What? Say what? What? Say what?
What?
The bird just laid an egg. What? Cat pursing lips while pooping. Get that poop out. Oh, the owner, he's hiding from the dog. He's like, what? Where'd my owner go? Oh, no. Like, what the heck? Dude, he was freaking out for a second. Look at this guy eating string cheese. Bro, he's just sucking it down. Two huskies arguing. They're just like, I don't want to hear it. You've been getting on my nerves all week.
What do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know. Sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin? Kevin!
Bro, does he have a stick?
Oh my God!
I see where the stick is on his horns. Bro, the puppy's looking at himself in the reflection. That is so freaking cute. That is so cute. That is so cute. I love this. He doesn't know that's him. That's so crazy. Oh my God. Bro, the dog chased all those seals off the deck. Oh my God, bro. See, some cats don't like dogs. Bro, why doesn't the owner just get out of there? What the? Is the bull chasing the dog? Oh, the cow just wants to play, dudes. The cow just wanted to play. The dog had to go and mess it all up. Is the cat? Oh, the cat's gaming, guys. It's a gamer cat. We got ourselves a gamer cat here, everybody. Oh, bro, that's not even funny. That's not even funny. Uh-oh. Sleeping dog. Curious cat. Who wins? Slapping cat wins. The dog's like, what the heck was that? Dude, the dog's so confused. He's like, why the heck did you hit me? Oh, bro, he's jealous. The cat's jealous. Oh, he's like, help me. Help me. He's like, what the heck just happened? Only in Texas. Look at this majestic horse. Look at him go, dudes. Only in Texas. Apparently, there's something very wrong with this cat. When your kitten grew up with dogs, she barks. I don't think cats are supposed to bark, guys. Oh, man, does that mean my daughter's gonna bark because my dog barks? Cat? What?
You hungry?
Oh, there goes the cat. Bro, he thinks the lizard went behind the TV. Oh! Oh my! He turned into a trampoline. Okay. There's a typhoon happening outside and this cat's just on the door. Get off the door, cat. The weather's bad. What? Why is that cat attacking that guy? All right, they're just hanging out by a lake with the cow. He's like, oh, this girl stinks. He's smelling her up. Oh! I don't think the cow was trying to push her in, guys. I'll be honest. I think there was some other things going on there. I think he smelled something he liked. Oh!
Dude.
Bro, her skin's flawless.
Mean. That's mean.
Her skin's, oh my.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
Your pet's clingy. What's he trying to get? Oh, he's trying to hold his hand. That's smart. That's a loving cat. Dog. Why did I say cat? Oh my God. Wait, dogs? All dogs can just go in the snow like this? Oh, I did not know this. Oh, that's a little dog. Oh! Well, we're chilling now. All right.
No way he's about to roll down all these stairs.
You know what? More power to you, Mr. Kitty. I respect it. I like what you're doing.
Hey,
Hey.
get the fuck out of here.
Hey. Bro, what? Why would you ever stick your hand in a dog's mouth? Bro, what is happening? Oh, is this dog pooing, peeing? Oh, no, it's fighting with itself. All right. It's eating its own leg. I see what's going on here. Okay, very Chris Rock and Will Smith. Okay, I assume that the cat is about to slap the living heck out of Will Smith. Or no, Will Smith is about to slap the cat, I mean. Ah! Yep, I knew it. I'm so smart, dudes.
Guys, I think something's wrong with my dog.
Something's wrong with your dog. Okay, let's see. What's wrong with your dog?
She loves lasers.
Lasers?
She's a cat, basically.
Wait, I've never been a dog that loves
She dives
lasers.
at the ground.
What? Oh, look at this. Once the gate closes, they go at it. Oh, yeah. All bark, boys. All bark, but no bite. Look at like, oh, hey, how's it going? Yeah, dude. No. That is crazy. Well, maybe they're just arguing because the gate's closed. Cat acting like a crazy... Okay, you see, this is when the catnip hits too hard. The catnip hits too hard here. For sure, there's catnip in those socks. Has to be. Look at them. Oh, my God. Bruh.
My birthday dinner for the Sochi. Big 3 years old.
Is that
He's got
cheese?
steak.
Steak!
Sweet potato.
Oh.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Dude, the cat's like not even looking at him. He's like, don't look at his eyes. Don't look at his eyes. Oh, he's slipping. He's sliding. He's
Cruising.
nice, dude. Nice. I love it. I love what you did with yourself. Oh, hello, little kitty. Cat playing piano. Wait a minute. He's like, I hear something. What is that noise? He's like, what is that noise? Oh my God, look at this cat. He's ready for retirement. Oh, he's got his legs up and everything. A pigeon versus a puppy? Wait, what? The pigeon's riding the puppy. This horse gives this cat back scratches.
That is crazy.
That is actually, look at it. Okay, you know what? I respect it. Hold me, bro. The dog is all bark. Let's see. Yo, pick me up. Yeah. You know why dogs get like that? Because they have the high ground. If you give a dog the high ground, they feel more in power. This dude took the entire Christmas decoration. Wait, how is it still on? She was traumatized by the smell. Don't smell that. Oh. Bruh. Yep. You put your whole mouth in there. Tornado of food. Bro. Do dogs? I've seen dogs do this, and I've always wondered like how they don't get dizzy. There's no way he can walk properly after this. My dog Max and my duck Fred are best friends and love to wrestle. Bruh, I feel like that dog would eat that duck on a day that he's hungry. Eat him! He's eating him! It's over. He's eating duck for lunch. 2 cats, 1 owner. Like, what is this guy doing? He's crazy. Oh, Hadouken! Got him. What? Dude, they both fall over. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh my God. Are we filming a movie? It's a hamster being filmed in slow motion. What the? Okay, this is crazy. This could probably be made in AI, but still. You know what? Let's see what it looks like if I were to make it an AI. Dudes, look what I was able to make with AI. I made this. Look, it looks so real. Holy. Like legit, I just typed in like a small hamster with brown, white fur and look, I made it. And this is the other one I made in AI. Look at that. Oh my God, it's a movie. Bro, the other one way better. Dude, I should just be a hamster maker. Look at that. Oh, my man, he just slid into the bird's Oh wait, that's a toy. Oh my God, the bird is flirting with a toy.
There is no way.
He just slid into that. Oh, hey. Oh. He's like, I don't know who did that. What just happened? Who touched you, cat? I don't know. That was weird. Dude, he's actually, you can do this to humans and it works on cats too. It's crazy. Ears so big you can slap.
Oh my God.
What the? Guys, that's a human nose on a cat. What? What the? How? That thing's huge. What is this? It's a dog. Oh my God. What? Did you can see the treat going down his throat. Wait a minute. Let's replay that. Look at this. He gets the treat. It's a big treat. He swallows it and then that's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my. Bro, you just embarrassed yourself. It's so simple. You just gotta eat the food, but you keep falling though. There you go. There you go. Nailed it. Wow! This cat is cuddling a pillow. It's a fish pillow. This cat is cuddling a fish pillow. What? I swear, some of these animals are way too human-like. I'm telling you. Guys, that is freshly
placed concrete.
And that hen just walked all through the concrete. That's gonna be awkward. What the? These cats are playing Battleship.
Bam, bam.
Okay, they put tanks on the Swiffers, guys. They put tanks on the Swiffers. This is it. I've seen it all.
Oh, man.
What is that? What was that? Wait, that's an elephant. That's an elephant's mouth. Or a tusk. Nose, I guess. Bro, what? They're just feeding this elephant. He's like, yo, give me more. I was not expecting that. All right, expecting. Oh, it's a mermaid. What the? Okay, that is. Oh. Well, that's a dog. What the? Oh. Wait, the bird's pushing the cat off. Okay, that's messed up. That's bullying. Am I seeing things or is that crow snowboarding? Wait, what? Oh my God, he is. What? Okay, you see, crows are smart, dude. They're smart. Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute. A magpie with money. He's like, drop the money. He's like, give me a treat and I'll give you money. Bro, he wants food. Oh, look at that. He's like, drop the money, I'll give you the worm. Drop the money. There you go. What is this? When you want to impress a girl, is what it says. Look at this. He's swimming. Uh-oh. Oh, he's like, hey, help, help. Bro, I've never seen a dog. Dogs can drown? Oh my God, the baby's playing catch with the dog. Bro, look at the pictures in the back. Oh, that's so cool. Man, we should get pictures like that in my house. Oh my. He just tried taking out his mom. Dogs are watching cartoons. Like, hey, put the cartoons back on right now. There we go. Sorry, guys. Sorry. It's on. It's on. Bro.
I didn't know dogs watch cartoons.
Not the slightest regret in his eyes. Yep, he's like, I did this. That's right. I did it, Mom. Go! Oh, yeah, that's slippery wood. He can't even catch. Yep, he's gone. What? Okay. Monkey see, monkey do. Look at them. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, my gosh, you're doing it together. Okay, this is how best friends are made right here. This is ridiculous. I can't believe this. What? Is that wait. That's okay, it's a ninja mouse. You gotta be kidding me. No way, they're playing hide and seek with the cat. Oh my gosh. He doesn't know where he went. Ha! The cat wins.
Absolutely.
Oh my.
Yellow rat snake.
Ah!
Probably a New County dimension.
What? Is he just?
Although they look very similar to the one
Bro, this cat.
she was going
This poor snake, dude. What is this? The fox and a what is that? Snack? Ah! He just stole his glove. Okay, it's a cat versus. Oh, okay.
Well, he's too fat.
Sorry, buddy. Just give up. Just give up. What the? Guys, I think this fish is broken. I don't think he knows how to fish properly. What the heck is he doing? Why is he so fat? Someone's excited for food. Oh my God. I have never seen a dog jump like that. That is crazy. What? Wait. Oh, it's a cat pillow. Oh my God. Are you mad about that? Yeah, he's mad about that. Are these beavers arguing? Bro, it's a 2v1. Hey, back up. Back up, bruh. Yep. Show me mean business. Oh my God. This dog's head is stuck in a boot. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Oh my God. It's okay, buddy. Oh gosh. Okay. Well, is someone gonna save this dog? We were having a picnic when we met this friendly crab and he waved back at us. Oh my God, look, he's waving. Look at him. He's like, hey guys, got any food for me? Bro, why does he only have one hand though? Okay, who put bubbles on this cat's head? Who put bubbles on this cat's head? It is way too cute. He's like, how do I get these bubbles off my head? Squirrel versus, wait, no, that's a donut. Get away from the food. Oh, what the?
Bro, you gotta be careful with some of these squirrels, man. They will eat your face.
Oh my gosh.
What? What happened? What happened? Bro, a raccoon broke into a bathroom? We caught you. We caught you, buddy.
Butter dog. The dog
hey, what up?
Butter dog.
Butter dog.
Butter on him.
Why'd you put the butter on the dog?
Why is there butter on the dog?
What the heck is this? Hello, Mr. Monkey. Oh, the monkey's smiling. Yo!
He's missing an arm.
Oh, that's messed up. What the heck? Is this AI? What just happened? Patriotic groundhog. Dun, 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 dun. America! Yep, that's a big groundhog. Oh, heck. Dude, that is a former dinosaur. You cannot convince me that this was not once a dinosaur.
That is wild.
That is actually crazy. No. Okay, he pull up. Is that a capybara? That's a capybara. Okay, this is a capybara compilation. What the? Okay, no way! No!
That's AI.
There is no way a capybara is riding a pelican. What the heck? Oh! This cat's playing badminton. Wait, the whole house plays. Hey. Oh my. Bro, what are the odds of that he lands right on the lever that shoots the other cat into the basket? That is crazy. I just witnessed that. Oh my God. Hands up! Hands up, guys! Oh, hello, madam. Oh, sheriff, I'm so sorry, please. It wasn't me, it was him. Oh yeah, that's right. You're going straight to jail. What the heck is this? Is this supposed to be the priest, a monk? Oh, security for the cat club. Okay. Hey, throw it back. Hey, you know those cats be getting crazy in there. This cat is sitting like a person. Look at this. Back in my day. Ooh, ooh, hey, yo, metronome scares cat. It's terrified. It doesn't know what's happening.
Good Lord.
Bro, what is that? I think hairless cat, you know, they deserve love. They just won't get love from me. Okay, I'm just throwing it out there. I don't think hairless cats are like this amazing. I don't know what everyone loves about them. I think they're creepy.
Why are you filming me? You trying to understand how to clean yourself properly?
Yeah, he looks weird. Hey, kitty. How's it? He's like, don't bite mom. Don't you dare bite the hand that feeds us. Nice. This puppy's like, what the? How the heck did they do that? Help!
Help!
Oh, Mike Tyson, baby. Let's go, Mr. Cat. Let's go. Show him what you got. There you go. Hit him with it. Nice!
Yeah!
Bro, he learned straight from Mike Tyson. What? Nice. He fixed it. He's like, oh, well, I moved it. I gotta fix it. I gotta put it back.
Straighten your wheels. Straighten your wheels. All right, come forward. Whoa, stop. Whoa, that's far enough.
No, this is this.
What are you doing? I said stop.
Oh my God. There's no way, dude. There's no way. Imagine A safety inspector comes this day, and this is what they see, dude. There is no way this is real. Dude, the look on his face is just like, dude, I'm sorry, I didn't see them. I love this video. Dog playing video game. Yo, what the hell, man? I was about to win. Turn it back on right now. Oh my God, he's a rager. Raccoon washing his hands. Unless he's eating. I'm not sure what he's doing. Is he washing his hands? He is washing his hands. Look. He's using soap and everything. A chimp in the house. There's a monkey. Okay. He's just sliding into your DMs.
What up, girl?
What's up, man? You,
Look at me.
Oh my God!
get that dog some food right now. What are we doing here?
Oh my God, that rat is huge.
Look at this cat. Like, save me! Bro, that rat is huge, though. That broom will not do anything to that. No, it's game over. Look at this dog. Dude, that's a big dog, dude. Oh, no! Let go! Let go! Let go!
Hey!
Bro, why would he hold on for that long? Oh, my God. Look at these cuties. Bro, that is great. Look at Dude, that's classic. Oh, my... Bro. Okay, guys, if you don't know what's going on here, this bear is building a cabin in the woods. In reality, this bear is in reverse, destroying a cabin in the woods. This guy doesn't want no neighbors. He's like,
F these people!
ain't nobody moving in unless I say so. Dude, she landed that, though. Okay, we got a bunch of cows running away from the owner. Oh, never mind. They're running away from a wiener dog. There's no way this is the herding dog they chose. Bro fumbled the bag. Oh! Okay, wait a second.
Can we talk about how fat that raccoon is real quick?
Did you guys see this guy? Put this raccoon on Ozempic right away. Bro, I think he's only got one eye as well. Look at that. He's fat, dude. Dude, that is a
Huge raccoon!
He is obese. Like, probably like 3 times the normal size.
No.
Wait, what? That was a dog with a horse mask. I don't understand. Like, I understand it, but I'm just confused. Holy! Bro, that is the fastest penguin I've ever seen in my life. What the hell? He's flying. Oh my God, orangutan showering. Bro, I'm telling you, I know some people that look like this, like that build. Now I understand the orangutan build comment. Like if someone's like, oh, dang, you look like an orangutan. I see it. I see it. I get it. What is this? What the? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Do you guys see what's going on here? That's a freaking bear in this man's kitchen.
What the hell?
He's brushing the bear's teeth. That is crazy. Oh, look at this small little doggy. It's a small little doggo. Smell the food. Oh my God. He woke up and was like, ah, food. He was ready for it.
I've never seen anything like this.
Push! Yeah!
This guy is sledding with a shopping cart. That is crazy. Now look at this. Oh no, dude. This is not how you drink from the faucet. I don't even think he got any, to be honest.
Little rat, look at little rat. Hello, little rat. You are so cute. What are you?
Little rat?
I don't know.
Is this girl dumb? Bro, that is a rat that served like 2 life sentences in prison, broke out, came out, ate all of New York's food, and somehow found its way at a gas station to then terrorize the locals. That is a giant rat. I've never seen a rat so big in my life. Okay, we got some food. We got a little bit of food in this. It's like a cup. We've got 1, 2. Oh, no. You can't do that to a Pomeranian. Nope. Yeah, they're pissed. We got a cat on top of the furniture and he just jumped in a bucket. It's a kitten and a cat.
Oh!
Hey, why did the kitten attack him?
The lizard wants to eat.
What is that? Bro, wait. Chicken versus lizard battle. Bro, wait. The chicken. What the? Bro, I think the lizard's winning that one. Oh. He just tried catching the bird on the TV.
Ain't no way.
Oh no, where's my cat?
Where's
could
your
he
cat?
Possibly be? How will I ever find?
You have to find your cat, dude. I found your cat, dude. He likes your drawers. Oh, he knows it's playtime. That's smart. He knows. What is that? Oh, no. Straight to the pound. What the? Was that a Santa Claus? Oh, the other one took off his clothes. Dang, dude, you're naked.
Oh, hey, Mr. Chiwiwi.
Does he have a diaper on? We know he's stuck on a bra. What, is this dog pooping?
Oh, he's getting angry.
Oh, he's angry at his own foot. Why is he angry at his own foot? What did your foot do to you? What is going on here? Wait, it's the cat. The cat's in the cabinet. He's stealing food. Oh, hey, this guy's stealing. Yep, you got caught. What's going on, little guy? Oh, he's mad. Oh, he's speaking gibberish. Habba, habba, habba. Yep, he's mad. He was worried for Judy. Oh, Judy! Oh, I remember this movie. This movie was fantastic. Blood everywhere. Look at that. Yep. Oh my! Look at this dog.
He just kicked the door open like the FBI.
Oh my God! The horse rolled over out of his pen. Oh, that's smart. That is a smart horse. He's like, oh, they caught me on the camera. Are those lions? Careful, bro. Don't get too go. Yep.
They can swim.
Can I get a oh yeah? Can I get a oh yeah?
I can't. Yep. Nope. The other one's better.
My dog's broken.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look how big this cat is. And he's so, oh, he's mad at her. Whoa, look, our cat was very unsure of our baby at first and wanted nothing to do with her. But then, wait a minute, something changed. Now they're little friends and play with each other, you see? That's smart. She must be declawed though, for real. She's like over here slapping this baby. Oh, just, nice. That was on purpose. Whoa. Dude, what the heck? Okay, that is a cool cat. That is a cool cat right there. What are you guys doing? Who gave the cats coffee?
Who gave the cats coffee? They're going crazy.
That is wild. Oh my God. He's like, I am out of here. I don't want to be in the shower. No more. Let me out. Yep. You're not going out, dude. Just give up. What is this? Is this a tennis ball? Oh, they're excited. Oh, look at that. Okay, that thing throws tennis balls. Oh, and then you can use it as a back scratcher for the other dog. The old timer. That's cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Paw on paw. Paw on paw, baby. There we go. There we go. Boom. 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 I feel like the cat's going to win this one. Oh, my gosh. It's an inflatable deer toy. Wait, the dogs don't know it's not real. So they're like on full attack mode. Oh, he ran inside. He's scared. Oh, nice self-affirmations. Look.
You're fabulous. You're amazing. Yes, you're all those things and so much more.
Motivational Mondays right here, guys.
Yes, believe in yourself.
That's right.
Yes,
that's right. Yay! What? Bro, you see, what's the point of buying cat toys when you can just use regular things to be toys for your house? Look at that. Now we're in business. What the? Oh! Dude, it's Demon Slayer. The most normal orange. Okay, what? Charlie.
What do you have on?
Charlie, put down the knife right now.
Put the knife down. Oh, Charlie, you're doing bad things. What just happened? Oh, somebody's eating flour.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Oh, shoot, true. Oh, a laser pointer? You won't be able to get that one. Hey, how is he even, wait a minute, how is he?
Spider cat.
Beard grooming. That's how you shave your beard, right, guys? I think so. What? Wait, what? They switched positions. Why is the fat one on the bottom? Look at this cute little doggy. Look at this cute, oh no, a flying fish. Dude, the dog's going in. He's like, I can save you, buddy. Wait, is he gonna, oh, he went to grab the boss lady.
Mom, look, Mom.
Wait, there. Oh, snap. WWE. Oh, that takedown was crazy. Okay, guys, there's no need to argue. There's no need to argue. Guys, don't argue. It's okay. What is going on here?
The cat's like, go away. You are so annoying. I don't want to be licked right now. Leave me alone.
That's a cat? What is happening? This is... Bruh. Nice. My husky mocks my laugh. Hey, what's up, dude? What the? What? Dude, this guy's shaking. Slow your roll.
Hola.
Little wiener dog. Did hola, I heard it. Dude, this dog is pulling its owner riding a skateboard. That's nice. That's a nice little trip. I like that. I can get behind that.
Hola, mi chica. Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Oh. Hola, cariño. Pero qué cosa más bonita. Y tan educada ella. Ay,
That's so creepy.
It's singing Beyonce. Bro, this parrot is singing Beyonce. What? Hey, the DJ. Hey. Dude, he's like a screamo dog. Dude, that's pretty cool, but also very terrifying. Nah, the cap. There's no way this cat's playing piano better than every one of us watching right now. Okay, no, it's fake. It has to be. There's no way.
Everybody's so creative. See how that looks like we probably wasn't supposed to do that? But we did.
What?
There's no other reason you would do it that way.
What? They taught their cat how to poop inside of a toilet. Look, it's pooping in a toilet. I decide when I have had enough. Look at this crow. He's getting brushed. Say, Hey, bucko. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, bucko. Look at this. That is wild. No way. It's a skateboarding dog. Where are we right now? I have no idea where this is. It has to be somewhere in Asia.
What's 3 times 2?
6. Come on. You got this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Got it.